A chatbot, an automation, and an AI agent can all save time, but they do very different jobs. Choose the wrong one, and a simple task becomes expensive, unreliable, or harder to control. In the next few minutes, you will learn the difference and see exactly when to use each one. Let us start with the most familiar option. A chatbot responds when you send a message. You ask a question, provide some context, and receive an answer. It is useful for brainstorming, explaining, drafting, summarizing, and answering questions. But a normal chatbot usually waits for the next instruction. Think of it like a knowledgeable person sitting at an information desk. They can help you understand what to do, but they do not automatically complete the entire process for you. Automation is different. Automation follows a predefined sequence of steps. When this happens, do that. For example, when someone submits a form, add the information to a spreadsheet and send a confirmation email. The same input follows the same path every time. That predictability is a strength. If the task is stable and the rules are clear, automation is often faster, cheaper, and easier to test than an AI agent. Think of it like a conveyor belt built for one repeatable process. An AI agent is useful when the path cannot be completely defined in advance. You give the agent a goal, instructions, approved tools, and boundaries. The agent examines the current situation, decides what step comes next, uses a tool, checks the result, and adjusts when needed. It may search documents, update a system, prepare a draft, or ask a human for approval. The important word is bounded. A responsible agent does not receive unlimited access and hope for the best. It works within permissions, stop conditions, and guardrails. Think of it like an assistant who can handle a process but must follow company policy and escalate important decisions. Now let us compare all three using one customer support request. A customer writes that a package has not arrived. The chatbot explains the delivery policy and suggests next steps. The automation sends a standard acknowledgement and creates a support ticket. The agent reads the message, checks the order system, reviews the carrier status, identifies the allowed resolution, and prepares the correct response. If the refund is above its approval limit, the agent pauses and asks a person to decide. The chatbot provides information. The automation follows the fixed route. The agent chooses among approved routes based on the situation. Here is the decision rule I want you to remember. If the work is mainly conversation or content assistance, start with the chatbot. If the steps are predictable and the same rules apply every time, use automation. If the goal is clear but the path changes with context, consider an agent. Then ask one more question. Does the benefit justify the added cost, testing, monitoring, and risk? The most advanced option is not automatically the best option. Choose the least complex system that can complete the job reliably. Agents become more useful as they gain access to tools. They also become more risky. An incorrect answer is inconvenient. An incorrect action can change data, send a message, spend money, or affect a customer. Use narrow permissions, validate important inputs and outputs, record tool actions, set budget and retry limits. Require human approval for consequential decisions. If you want practical AI lessons that separate useful systems from hype, subscribe to the AI Stack. Let us bring it together. Chatbots answer and assist. Automations repeat fixed steps. Agents make bounded decisions and act through tools. Start simple. Add autonomy only when the task truly needs it. In the next lesson, we will open an AI agent and examine its model, instructions, tools, memory, and execution loop. Learn the stack, build the skills.